कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Speaker, sir, reply to start question 142, sir, A. Sir, the total number of storage facilities present in the state district-wise are as follows. In East Khasi Hills, number of units is 8. West Khasi Hills, number of units is 3. Eastern West Khasi Hills, 1. Southwest Khasi Hills, 1. Ribhoi, 8. West Jantia Hills, 7. East Jantia Hills, 3. East Garu Hills, 5. West Garu Hills 5, North Garu Hills 6, South Garu Hills 1, Southwest Garu Hills 2. Total numbers 50. Whether all these cold storage facilities present in the state are functional? No, sir, only 44 units are functional. Of the installed 50 units. See, sir, the total number of farmers availing the facility district-wise are as follows. In East Khasi Hills, 2,250 farmers. West Khasi Hills, 476. Eastern West Khasi Hills, 19. Southwest Khasi Hills, 10. Ribhoi, 4,540. West Jantia Hills, 1,867. East Jantia Hills, 252. East Garu Hills, 210. West Garu Hills 1,870, North Garu Hills 374, South Garu Hills 30, Southwest Garu Hills 10. Total number of farmers engaged would be 11,908, sir.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honourable Minister, which are the cold storage units which are not functional? Because in the course of the reply of the Honourable Minister, she has said that only 44 units are functional out of the 50 units which have been installed.
Sir, there are 1,000 empty capacity big cold storages in the state that are definitely not functioning. One is Mauyong and the other one is Garubada. Then from the others, sir, some of the newly installed cold storages have not been made operational, due to be operational and installed.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, the Garubada cold storage facility, may I know for how long it has been non-operational?
So for as long as 2008, sir.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honourable Minister when the government is planning to take up the matter, whether it is planning to take any action to make it operational, or it has no plans whatsoever to take up the matter?
So in 2008, the board leased out the cold storage at Garubada to two private parties for running the facility, MS Dampos Tura for 1 year. 2010, sir, the same was leased out to cold storage Horizon Market Tura for a period of 3 years, but the party surrendered the cold storage after running it for just 4 months, complaining of low voltage of electricity. They informed that because of low voltage, potatoes and other produce got spoiled. and they have faced heavy losses. In 2011, the board again leased out the cold storage to a certain person by the name of Napoleon C.H. Marak of William Nagar, East Garo Hills, Meghalaya for 3 years, but did not, this person, however, failed to occupy the cold storage due to unknown reasons. So the challenges for this. Sir, it was proven to be difficult to operate the infrastructure due to high maintenance cost and high energy consumption. It was not profitable as the crop production in Meghalaya is scattered and unorganized, thus leading to underutilization of the facility. Further inspections by the board reveal that the cold storage facilities at Mauyong and Garobada market, which are more than 20 years old, are not feasible to be revised. The refrigeration system is outdated, with poor insulation, corrosion of piping system, and high-risk refrigerant leakage. For stacking the commodities, the cold storage has to utilize multiple wooden stacks, which are its current current stage is not structurally integral and poses risks of contamination of food products. What is the proposed plan for the revamping of these cold storages? We are now putting in efforts to convert the facilities at Mauyong and Garobada market into operational level through modification into modern cold rooms. Number one, we will have multiple chambers to store fruits and vegetables, seed potatoes, table, variety potatoes, spices, meat products, while preventing cross-contamination. We're also looking at energy-efficient hybrid systems with solar solutions to address the issue in low voltage and high energy consumption. And the third thing we're planning to do is reinforce internal structures with better insulation to address energy loss. We also have a proposed room cold storage for the same.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honourable Minister, what is the process for the farmers to have access to these cold storage units? Whether it is on payment basis or do they have to register? What is the process? May I know from the Honourable Minister?
The process is simple, sir. These cold storages, farmers come to these cold storages, register a nominal fee, and access is given to the farmers.
So we'll pass on to another question.
Sir, may I put a question, sir, to the Honourable Minister? Sir, there is a farmers' market at Upper Shillong. Is there any plan or proposal by the department to set up a cold storage there, sir? Because a lot of farmers, go and sell the stock they produce there, sir. It's been set up, I think, about 10, 15 years back. But there is no cold storage facility at that Upper Shillong farmers market, owned by the marketing board of the agriculture department.
Sir, to my knowledge, there is one farmers market at Malim. A 5 empty cold storage facility is now being considered to Lau Mei Farmers Market. This project is completed.
The Honourable Minister may be aware, there is a market managed by the marketing board of the agriculture department. So is there any cold storage facility? It is not there, since I live close by. Is there any proposal by the government to set up a cold storage there, sir? It's set up on a government land of the agriculture department on the way to Shillong Peak.
So I require notice for this particular facility. I'm not aware.
Can I just get the assurance from the minister that if can propose a cold storage there?
So matter will be examined, surely.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CN helpline call center.